people who try to save their families, like the robbers.
Bro, look. Let's destroy. Let's kill him.
Oh yeah! No, it's my dad's.
Oh, it is?
Who cares?
It is?
Yeah. Never mind, my dad got that from Walmart. Headbutt.
Yeah, I thought it was.
Oh, this is mine. Nope. Sale video for real. Nope.
Oh, Keto.
I'm gonna crush this.
What's inside, bro?
We're doing it. Actually, we're doing what's inside. Where's the freaking cam? Oh, it's right there. We're doing a what's inside.
This video needs to be closed. What's inside a clock?
Yeah, darn it, it won't stand.
Okay, well, we'll just destroy it with the hammer.
Oh yeah, what's inside with a hammer?
Bruh.
Oh, nothing right there. Okay, you film that. You show it on
So, guys, we're doing a what's inside on that time.
that time washer out.
Oh my freaking god.
That's all it did. It shattered the inside.
It shattered the inside, not the outside. Oh my god, bro.
It's plastic outside.
Oh, it broke. Oh god, no.
That's glass. That's glass. I did not know that would be fun.
I thought it was all plastic. Okay, guys. Look, there's like white sand in there. What the? Bro, this is just dangerous, bro.
I know. Here, pick up the thing.
Why would there be freaking glass in this? Who cares? We should. I know what we should call this video.
What?
I know what we should call this video.
What?
What's inside very dangerous, bro. Oh, you almost.
Hold on, I gotta vacuum this up.
Okay, is it loud?
Sort of.
Okay, well, I'm just gonna end the video now because I'm sure.
Okay, you can end it.
No, actually, let's not. Don't vacuum it up now because we're gonna get in trouble. Don't do anything. Just cover that with wood.
I have the wrong cord plugged in.
Bro, we can't do it. Your mom, just tell her there was a bunch of This is crazy. Bro, look at all
Not
that.
in all the way. That's good. Oh.
There's a bunch of salt. Let's just vacuum that up.
Okay, the orange thing is plugged into the treadmill.
Okay, guys.